The Ginger Quilter box is here. Let's open it for the month of November. See what fun goodies are in this box this month. She shipped them early because it is the last Saturday of October and I just received this. I'm excited. In the Ginger Quilter box, it says Fancy Furs pattern by My So Quilty Life. This pattern is a fun twist on traditional Christmas trees. Instead of bows on just presents, they're on the trees. And you can all see the borders are lots of fun with gumdrops. And I can see that there's a lot to this pattern. And it looks like each tree has its own little thing. Or there's at least these 4 patterns. That's just cute. 68 by 68 is the throw size. It also comes with table runner and crib size. This is about 10 pages long. Oh, there's an actual picture of it. That's cute. All right. Oh, and then she said the gumdrops. So I was thinking it looked like it might be scalloped, but it's not. It's a straight edge, but with the snowballed edges to look like a gumdrop. All right, now we have Moda Bella Solids. I've recently been a convert to Moda Bella Solids. I think they're very soft and nice to sew with. In this bundle, you have Dusty Jade, Kansas Green, Prairie, Pesto, Princess, Chipotle. That's cool. The colors are mostly traditional with a little bit of modern. You'll have everything you need to make the table runner. Table runner for here, it takes 4 trees and it's 20 by 53, so it's basically 1 row. Okay, cozy red gloves. I did see these, and it looks like it works with the stylus. Winter is coming, and that means your fingers will be freezing. Keep them warm and ready to sew with these cozy red gloves. Keep them in your car or your purse. Your fingers are important, so keep them nice and toasty. Those are cute. Fashion touchscreen gloves. All right, then we have a friction marking pen. It's red. Pens are one of my favorite sewing notions. I use them all the time and can never have enough. Part of that might be due to my kids stealing them all the time. I love how clear they write and how quickly they erase with friction or heat. They are great for marking your fabric. Okay, hot chocolate on a stick. Should always put some fun things in here. Look at that. That's it. Ticket chocolates, peppermint. Oh, yum. Hot chocolate on a stick. It's cocoa season, and that means there's so many different varieties to try. I thought this was a clever idea. Just stick this stick in warm water and let the chocolate do its melting yummy thing. Oh, yum. This is from Ticket Chocolate in California. Ticketchocolate.com is how you can learn more about them. All right, Merry Christmas. It always feels a little strange to be shipping Christmas boxes the day after Halloween, but I do it so you have lots of time to finish your project before Christmas. I hope you enjoy the wonderful season of holiday sewing and spend lots of time with your loved ones. Merry Christmas. So that's what Natalie had to write about this box, which is the November box. It's titled, Oh Christmas Tree. But you know what? Besides what I just read off, there's still stuff in the box. So she has included quite a bit of white. So when she said you'll have everything you need to make the table runner, I believe it's because of this. This is a white on white polka dot. Let me see how much is in here. That looks like a yard and a half, maybe. It is, what is that? 54 inches. That's quite a bit. You see the little dots in there. So nice. So nice. All right, so there's our fun box from the Ginger Quilter with our Moda solids, our large amount of white on white fabric for the backing. We have chocolate on a stick, this really cool pattern, gloves, and a friction pen. If you're interested in signing up for this box, the link will be below. Please like, subscribe, and share, and thank you for hanging out with me today. Have a good day.